is Janay Digo, and ipapakita ko sa inyo paano pa-solve ang population growth. Paano nga ba ma-solve ang population growth na ang nawawala ay ang size of population after it grows? So, meron tayong P, which is initial number of people or population. E, or Euler's constant, stable siya sa 2.718, and R is rate of growth, which is 12% per year, and time, which is 8 years. So, paano nga ba masolve? So, ano nga bang formula ang ating gagamitin para masolve ang population growth at malaman kung ano nga ba ang size of population after it grows? So, A equals P, Euler's constant, and then rate tsaka time. So, ang initial number of people or population natin is 680,000. Then, lagay natin yung Euler's constant. Then, yung rate natin is 12. So, bali, magiging 0.12. Then, open parenthesis. Then, 8. Kasi 8 years yung time natin. So, close parenthesis. So, i-multiply natin ng dalawa. So, pag minultiply mo to, ang kakalabas niyan is 0.96. So, 680,000 Euler's constant, then 0.96. So, ang susunod natin gagawin is ang Euler's constant, i-compute mo lang siya into 0.96. So, 2.718 over 0.96. So, ang ikakalabasan niyan is 2.61,143. So, 680,000, then open parenthesis, 2.61,143, and then 680,000 i-multiply mo siya sa 2.61143. So, ang ikakalalabasan niyan is 1.7.4. So, ito na yung size of population after it grows.